Let us learn about Microsoft Dataverse for Teams. Dataverse for Teams is a shared version of Microsoft Dataverse. It was created with the aim of creating a simple app with a user-friendly interface while staying within Microsoft Teams. You will benefit from the updated version, which will enable you to build a Power App, virtual Power Agents, and Power Automates flows without having to leave the Teams platform. It is basically a cloud database, but with more features. And you use it to build data models that can then be used in the apps when you need to store data. It is user-friendly and can be built without having deep dive technical knowledge. You can also build tables in which you define how many columns should be present, as well as what type of data should be stored in each column. And you do all this inside Microsoft Teams. You will get one database for one team with Dataverse for Teams, and it will last as long as the team does. The primary and most significant distinction is that Dataverse for Teams does not include all of the database's features. Dataverse has non-relational storage. It comes with API access and plugins, and it also comes with additional security features like column level and hierarchical security, sharing, and auditing. Microsoft Dataverse for Teams. It does not have a relational storage. It does not come with API access and plugins, and the access is restricted to just the team owners, members, and guests. Let us now understand how Dynamics 365 and Microsoft Dataverse works. Dataverse is used to store and protect data in Dynamics 365 applications such as Dynamics 365 Customer Service and Dynamics 365 Sales. It allows you to build Power Apps and Dataverse based on your core business data. Create apps against Dynamics 365 data. Within Power Apps, you can create apps against business data, interact with data, metadata, business logic, and interact with external data using the extensible platform. Manage reusable business logic and rules. Power Apps are generated by the rules and logic defined within Dataverse tables to ensure data consistency regardless of how the data is accessed. Reusable skills across Dynamics 365 and Power Apps. The Dataverse platform is used by skilled users in Power Apps. Across all applications, everyday tasks can be used to construct forms, charts, and tables. Let us now learn how to integrate data into Dataverse. To create an app, you might need to get data from multiple source systems. Dataverse allows data from different sources to be combined into a single store. Power Automate, Power Apps, and Virtual Power Agents are among the Dynamics 365 applications that use the data. To integrate data in Dataverse, you will need Data Integrator. What is a Data Integrator? The Data Integrator is a point-to-point integration service that helps Dataverse users integrate data. The Data Integrator is made up of 1. Data Integration Platform, 2. Out-of-the-box templates, 3. Custom templates generated by customers and partners. You can customize templates with predefined mappings, and then you can execute the data integration. You can set up data integration in 3 steps. 1. By creating a connection and provide credentials to data sources. 2. After that, create a connection set by identifying environments for connections. 3. Then you can create a data integration using a template. After creating a data integration, you can run this manually and also set up a schedule-based refresh for the future use.
For more details, check the link in the description. Learn with Whizlabs. Success certified.